A very beautiful line in English. If you want to fly high in the sky, then you will have to drop the baggage and negative people on the ground.
To tell you one thing, there's a Sairi that comes in my mind. If you really want to get inspiration, then you should get inspiration from Jhansi Ki Rani. You should get inspiration from Veer Shivaji. You should get inspiration from Bhagat Singh. You should get inspiration from Subhash Chandra Bose. These all things made you.
You don't think about you are not doing anything. You have money, you can do anything. But you also think about those people that don't have money. When you do something, it means you are doing not only for you, it means you are also doing for all the people in the country.
First of all, clap for yourself, everybody. And I'm so honored, I'm so privileged because I'm here with all the public speakers today. Especially on this Saturday, we conduct public speaking session, but we are not in auditorium. We have come out of this auditorium today. Maybe some of the people may be thinking, what is happening here? In fact, being an Indian, it is my responsibility. As I told you, I'm happy today, I'm honored today, I'm privileged today because I wanna impart the people of India. I wanna impart from the ground level. This is me, Kaf, came from a village today in the capital city of Lucknow. In the capital city of Uttar Pradesh in Lucknow, I'm imparting people. So here, what is the motive? The motive in front of so many strangers. Look at the people are looking at us. We don't know what is gonna happen. Because I want to make these people be confident. The confidence I have right now, I want to see this confidence in everybody's. I want to see this confidence to speak whenever they go anywhere. See, I have that much guts that I can speak anywhere in the world. This confidence I want to boost in people. So here, random situation will be given to each and everybody talking about issues, social issues. हमारे समाज में बहुत सारी ऐसी दिक्कतें हैं. Being a student, एक विद्यार्थी होने के नाते, एक व्यक्ति होने के नाते, एक शख्स होने के नाते, हम लोग का कर्तव्य बनता है आज सोशल इश्यूज पे बातें करें. आज समाज में क्या हो रहा है, हम बच्चे स्किल्ड हैं, कुशल है, ज्ञान है, इल्म है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हम ठोकरे खा रहे हैं. क्या सरकार की कमी है या हम जैसे बच्चों की कमी है? आज हम लोग एक पहल लेके निकले हुए हैं. आई नो हमारी बातें वहां तक नहीं पहुंच सकती जहां तक हम चाहते हैं, लेकिन कोशिश जारी रहेगी. Because we have skill, because we have strength, still we are not being appreciated. That is why we all have gathered here to share, to express that what are the problems. So I will be inviting some of the people here who would like to come and talk about some social issues. Everybody, come on. Is there anybody who would like to speak about some of the things? Anybody else would like to talk about any social issues here? Hindi, English, come on, Rashid. Speak.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rashid Khan, and today we are here to talk about a very serious issue, social issue. And many people are preparing for government exam and like cabin crew and other private sector. But what happened? Sometimes we demotivate by people. Sometimes we push back by people. So how to overcome from this scenario? So if you want to become a success, then you will have to drop the negative people on the ground. Like ignorance. The most important thing is ignorance. Because I would like to explain with the help of a शायरी. कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह के बाद शाम हुई. कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह के बाद शाम हुई. तू कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या? अरे तू कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या? यहाँ तो सीता भी बदनाम हुई. फिर क्यों लोगों की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना? अरे लोग तो कहेंगे ही, लोगों का काम है कहना. A very beautiful line in English. If you want to fly high in the sky, then you will have to drop the baggage and negative people on the ground. Always one thing, don't demotivate by people, because हारता वही है जो लड़ता है. हारा वो, जीता वो नहीं जो लड़ा नहीं. तो always remember one.
Have you ever seen a woman? Have you ever felt her pain? She cries, cries and cries. But there is no one to ask about her pain, her torture, her marks. Marks those marks which persist for days, for months, and for some years. We need to realize our responsibilities. We need to see that a man and a woman, they both are equal.
Dear women, do not think that you are weak. Dear women, why are you becoming the reason of domestic violence? You need to ask yourself. There are conditions. You need to have a solid condition to be loved. Are you are not born to make roti. You are not born to make chapati. You are here. Are think about खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Why are you forgetting that? And some people, I'm not blaming all the men here. Some men are thinking girls are for washing clothes. How bad it is. I mean, why? Can you say to your mother that she's Nokrani? She is really real Masiha, so do not underestimate the power of women, ladies and gentlemen.
Many people, they have ability and to do something in their life, but they are not doing for people. They are spending their time in social media just because of you. You are spending around 4 hours, 5 hours, and just because of you, the inflation rate is increasing. Why? Because everything just it is connected. And if something is moving, the other thing is also move. You don't think about you are not doing anything. You have money, you can do anything. But you also think about those people that don't have money. When you do something, it means you are doing not only for you, it means you are also doing for all the people in the country. Because of inflation, many people, they are unable to teach. Many people, they are unable to send their students and their children in good school just because of inflation rate. And because of inflation rate, domestic violence is also there. Many husbands, they don't have money, they have their family, but they are unable to feed their family just because of inflation. And right now, many people, they are gambling. Many people, they are gambling to feed their family. They are gambling and they say, please wait, and after some time I will take money and I will purchase many things for our children, but just because of inflation rate. So thank you so much for it.
और कुछ बच्चे और यहाँ पे बच्चियाँ, कुछ भाई और कुछ बहनें हमारी हैं जो सच में कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है. तो आइए उन लोग को थोड़ा सा आगाज किया जाए, उन लोग को थोड़ा सा प्रयास किया जाए उनके लिए ताकि कॉन्फिडेंट हो सके. Yes, I would like to welcome Miss Anshika. Please, जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है, please.
Good morning, all of you. I am Anshika Gupta from Azamgarh. I speak about gender equality. There's also think about girls. But what about male? I search in Google female beauty. There's many songs for कि क्या खूब लगती हो तुम हुस्न परी हो तुम हुस्न जहाँ. But I search on Google for male beauty. There's no song. But I think about in India when girls came anywhere, some men can respect, but when man came there na, some people don't respect them. For me, why boys, for boys everyone not respecting boys. That's my point.
Please don't go to grammar. Look at her confidence. At least she came here. यहाँ पे आके बोलना guts चाहिए भाई. Of course, he came and spoke about there should not be gender inequality, of course, right? Now, I would like to welcome Arpita. Please come in the field. Whatever comes to your mind is speak.
Hello everyone, my name is Arpita and I'm from Lucknow itself, and today I'm going to talk about unemployment. Are you guys facing unemployment? Are you guys like preparing for something?
Yes.
Okay, so I have seen like a few people when they go for any job, they don't get that job and they feel so depressed. And by depressed, they like feel so shame in front of my parents. And sometimes they like attempt suicide also. And they
Because we all know that in India, in our country, everybody is facing lot of problems, and that type of problems, it may be connected from each other, and we all should think about it, that what type of problems we are facing, and if we all really want to get developed our country, if really we want to make our country as a developed country, then we should focus on each and everything which is very essential for us. And we are really going to talk about one of them, that it is a depression. Nowadays people are really facing this problem is on high rate, and it is a type of problem that comes in from different situation. One of them is that if there is a family and on this family if there is a person who got depressed by their parents, that my parents had taught me, and that parent had told me that you are bad boy in my family, and they told me that's why I got depressed, that I'm a very bad boy, and they are taking it that much seriously that I'm not good. I just want to tell you one thing, there is a Sairi that comes in my mind. If you really want to get inspiration, then you should get inspiration from Jhansi Ki Rani, you should get inspiration from Veer Shivaji, you should get inspiration from Bhagat Singh, you should get inspiration from Subhash Chandra Bose. These all things made you. If you really get inspired, then you should take inspiration from Ram Prasad Bismil. One line that comes in mind, sir, if there are a lot of bad problems in the society, on that time people were facing a lot of problems because of our freedom, and that time they said, sir फरोसी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सर फरोसी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में, देखना है जोर कितनी बाजुए कातिल में है.
Government is releasing vacancy, lots of.
I am not saying that please release vacancy. I am saying that please set up industries. Please promote industries for unemployment. I am not saying that only for government job. I am saying that only for everyone that are forced to work only for 6,000, 10,000.
There are many sectors, there are many factories, the vacancies are blank, and we have no skill to go there. And if I talk about, there are many education field, we have only degree, but we have no skill to get there. And if I have skill, who can stop you? into बारिश को रोका जा सकता है, लेकिन तूफानों को नहीं रोका जा सकता है. हवा को रोका जा सकता है, लेकिन आंधियों को नहीं रोका जा सकता है. तो डेवलप yourself, snatch the opportunity. If you have the skill to snatch the opportunity, why we are expecting the government?
Government is medium of provide education. If he will not make schools, colleges where we acquire good knowledge and skill, that's why I am saying government have to set up industries, school, everything.
What the facility, what we want to do for that soldiers, but that families, they are alone in their village. Why they are alone in their village? Because the man, the head of the family, going to fight for your freedom. So we also give the support. We also give the support to soldiers.
My name is Rakesh Yadav. I am from UP Prayagraj. But I am living before long time in Delhi city. But I came here for the learn English. This is my first. Yes. So.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Fahad, and today we are here because, firstly, I wanna say that when we decided to come here, it's about raining. But we came here because we have a determination.
Yes.
Let's promise with us that if I earn money, I will help others. Again say, if I earn money, I will help others.